Hello Sicilians, welcome to another exciting episode of Sicilian TV.
This is the Sicilian Bulletin where we bring you the latest and greatest updates from our BNI chapters.
I'm Dhruv Majmudar from BNI Magnus.
And I'm Vishakha Kataria from BNI Chronos. Today we have some incredible stories and achievements lined up for you. So let's dive right in.
First up, let's celebrate our Networkers of the Month. A big congratulations to Nimesh Boda from BNI Helenas for bringing in the highest number of visitors, and Pratik Goda from BNI Darius for achieving the highest ever FCB with an impressive amount of more than 20 crores. Outstanding work.
Well, that's incredible, Dhruv. Now, next up, let's have a look at the chapters who won the CMIS video contest. Let's have a huge round of applause for BNI Titus for being the first runner-up and BNI Osiris for being the second runner-up. Let us have a look at the excellent work these chapters have put in showcasing the real spirit of BNI Ahmedabad.
Welcome to BNI Titus, Unity in Diversity. Titus was the 10th emperor of Rome. The emperor Titus was associated with three attributes: honor, strength, and leadership. We bring you stories of three members of Titus resembling those three attributes. Meet Subhash Jatav, an embodiment of honor.
मुझे याद है जब एक दिन छोटे गांव से शहर आया था, तब मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता था। जिंदगी का हर एक दिन चुनौती था।
From a struggler in a small village to a hustler in the city, Subhash faced challenges that seemed insurmountable. He dealt with loss and hardship and then started from the scratch.
मुझे अपने सपनों पर विश्वास था। बीएनआई ने मुझे हिम्मत दी जो मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था।
BNI helped him in the amazing transformation from being scared and intimidated to becoming bold, capable and powerful. Now meet Harsh Thakkar, a story of strength.
मेरे सपने बहुत बड़े थे, उसको पूरा करना उतना ही बड़ा काम था। BNI ने मुझे एक प्लेटफॉर्म, एक विश्वास जिसकी वजह से मेरे सपने, मेरे हौसले कामयाब हुए।
Dreams of Harsh were vast and BNI helped him achieve them. From a dream referral of Gautam Adani getting fulfilled by our executive director Yash Vasant to realizing his biggest goals, his journey is proof that with BNI, dreams can come true.
जो मांगोगे वो मिलेगा, जो सपने देखोगे वो पूरा करोगे।
And last, meet Abhishek Rami, a story of leadership.
मुझे बीएनए के साथ काम करके हमेशा एक अलग ही आनंद मिलता है। एक टीम लीडर जो हमेशा एनर्जी और डेडिकेशन से भरा होता है।
Abhishek stands out as a team leader, inspiring everyone with his energy and dedication.
बीएनआई ने मुझे ये समझाया है कि एक अकेला इंसान भी एक टीम बना सकता है। ये मेरा जुनून है और ये मेरा कमिटमेंट है।
बीएनआई ने मुझे इज्जत दी और हमेशा इसे संभालूंगा। बीएनआई ने मुझे अपने सपने पूरे करने की ताकत दी।
बीएनआई ने हमारी लीडरशिप क्वालिटी और मजबूत कर दी।
BNI Titus. BNI Titus treats everyone as equal, where stories of honor, strength and leadership comes together. Join us and be a part of a journey that transforms dreams into reality.
Through BNI, I have built partnerships that has taken witty technical solutions to the new heights.
BNI has helped me to transform my business completely by connecting me with the clients who value creativity and quality.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Osiris chapter of BNI. It is now precisely 8:10.
Sachin Shah has came and seen my featured presentation. On that day, he has visited my completed projects and have decided to give me his office interior works.
When we first met, he showed me some of the projects 3D and the actual. It is almost impossible to differentiate what is 3D and actual. So that is the level of work and precision he has, and he completes all his projects within 60 to 90 days.
Being a part of BNI, it has given me lots of confidence to grow my business successfully and do the marketing. Within the 6 months of joining BNI, I have received business of 1 CR for my investment advisory business.
Incredible videos, right?
Absolutely, yes.
Moving on, BNI Magnus recently organized Gujarat Growth Conclave, where they invited 50 plus power visitors with 10 plus years experience and 100 crores plus of turnover. They invited business categories like builders, textile owners, industrialists, and many more.
Wow, that's quite some mix of industries. It's events like this that really put chapters on the map, don't they?
Absolutely, it is not about just exposure but also creating opportunities for our members to connect with key players of the industries. A special thanks to Mr. Sharvil Sridhar from A. Sridhar Group for gracing this event and giving his keynote speech.
And let's not forget the impact of having our area director Mr. Snehal Patel and senior support director Mr. Harsh Tanna at the event. Their guidance and their motivation really boosted the energy of everyone at the event.
Truly, it is all about building new relations and new business opportunities for our members. Events like this, they help us all to do more networking.
Speaking of impactful events, BNI Lazarus hosted its first ever Nexus 1.0 cross-region conclave. It was joined by 6 regions, 30 chapters and over 225 members. From online registrations to mobile app-based data management to scheduling one-to-ones digitally, everything was seamless and flawless.
That's really impressive. It shows how technology can enhance our networking experience.
By the end of the day, over 250 referrals were exchanged, and all thanks to the efficiency brought by these digital tools. Also, let's not forget the guidance and motivation by Area Director Sir Snehal Patel and Senior Support Director Sir Harsh Tanna that added a lot of value to the event, making it a huge success.
Now let's talk about our new chapter launches. We are thrilled to welcome our 54th chapter BNI Andromeda, which was launched with 44 members and 40 visitors. A huge congratulations to the launch team, Launch Ambassador MJ Solutions from BNI Raigar and Harsh Vadodaria from BNI Artemisia. Launch Director Arpit Verma from BNI Leonidas and Senior Launch Director Babita Khandelwar from BNI Dominus for bringing together such an energetic and enthusiastic group.
And let's not forget our 55th chapter of BNI Ahmedabad, BNI Acropolis, which was launched with 35 members and 35 visitors. Big kudos to the launch team, Launch Ambassador Ekta Desai from BNI Prometheus, Launch Director Mansi Kansara from BNI Crixus, and Senior Launch Director Babita Khandelwal from BNI Dominus for making this happen.
Next, we have an inspiring success story from BNI Olympus of Vishak Shah. At this year's symposium, Vishak connected with members from BNI Odysseus during a group one-to-one session. Thanks to Mr. Jatin Parekh, Vishak was introduced to a key contact he had been trying to connect with for over 6 months.
Wow, that's a fantastic example of power of networking. Next up, we have a powerful success story from Mr. Mihir Rupani from BNI Anthropos. Mihir planned his meetings meticulously at the Symposium 2024 and ended up securing orders worth 25 lakhs from a connection made during a group discussion at an exhibition stall. This story truly highlights the power of strategic networking at BNI events.
It's stories like this that remind us of the extraordinary potential of BNI. Speaking of potential, BNI Makarios just completed 10 glorious years. Congratulations to the entire chapter for a decade of growth and success.
And as we celebrate these milestones, let us take a moment to acknowledge the Director Summit 2024. Our directors, senior directors and area director along with our executive director Mr. Yash Vasan spent 2 days at the summit. They focused on setting goals for the growth of BNI Ahmedabad while also engaging in fantastic learning sessions and some much needed fun. The entire leadership team is committed to driving our network forward. And now it's time for Sicilian's Spoofy 5.
Lord. Ready?
Fire!
Also, Vishakha, our festival season is right around the corner. When it comes to Garba, we have the biggest event in BNI Ahmedabad, that is Garba. So what do you think, what is coming our way this time?
Absolutely, BNI Garba is always looked forward to by BNI members, and this time it's going to be even more fun, it's going to be grander, it's going to be great. So see you all at Pehli Navratri, BNI Ratri.
Now let's look at our ED's book recommendations. That wraps up this edition of Sicilian Bulletin. If you have any chapter milestones or member milestones, please share it with us so we can feature you here.
Thank you for tuning in, and remember to stay connected, stay inspired and keep growing. Until next time, this is Vishakha Kataria from Sicilian TV.
And this is Dhruv Majmudar from Sicilian TV. Thank you so much.
Thank you.